Welcome back to InfinityLearn Canada Academy. I'm Nathan, and if you've been following our Intermediate AI series, you know we're diving deep into how AI is reshaping the world around us. Today, we're exploring something truly fascinating: how AI is becoming a part of our everyday lives. This episode is structured into two parts. In part one, we'll introduce you to the incredible ways AI is already a part of your daily routine, from healthcare to finance to the smart technology in your home. We'll explore how AI is enhancing these areas in ways you might not even realize. Then, in part two, we'll take you even deeper. We'll look at how AI is transforming entire industries and discuss the ethical and social implications that come with these advancements. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Your engagement helps us bring you more in-depth content like this. In finance, AI is our first line of defense. Companies like MasterCard have deployed AI systems that scrutinize millions of transactions every second. These systems are designed to identify and prevent fraud before it even happens, providing a level of security that was once unimaginable. Just as AI protects your wealth, it's also making your home smarter and more responsive to your needs. Our homes are getting smarter. AI is at the heart of this transformation, creating environments that respond to our needs before we even know them. From security to energy management, AI is making our homes safer and more efficient. But this isn't just about individual homes, it's about creating a connected ecosystem. This is just the beginning of our journey. In part two, we'll take you deeper into the world of AI, exploring real-world case studies and tackling the big questions about where this technology is taking us. So, make sure you're subscribed to InfinityLearn Canada Academy, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for the next part of this fascinating exploration. If you enjoyed this first part, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And share this video with anyone who's curious about the amazing ways AI is changing our world. Your support means everything to us. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of AI. Stay connected with us at InfinityLearn Canada Academy, and get ready for part two, where we dive even deeper into the technologies shaping our future.